I want you to think about this. Next time you put gas in your car, next time you buy something from the grocery store, I want you to think about this. I was about to go to bed, but shh. But really think about this. We was energy independent under President Donald Trump. Energy independent, right? Now if I say something else too though. Russia. We buy oil from Russia. We have China buy oil from Russia. The Europeans buy oil from Russia for heat. So how are we gonna sanction Russia? Now how the Europeans gonna sanction Russia? But if they do sanction Russia, guess who's gonna hurt the most? Us. Because we get oil, gas to drive, gas for food to get delivered to you and me, gas for medical supplies, everything you got, stuff you buy at the store, little items, everything. So just remember, under President Donald Trump, we was energy independent. And Europe could have bought our natural gas from us and not depend on the Russians. You see how that worked? You see how diplomacy work? Or do you now? Do you finally understand it is bigger than the United States of America, even though we supposed to take it up first, but when it comes to outside interference, we supposed to know how to handle that too. But this administration, no. So let's remember that. Next time you fill up at the gas tank, next time you go buy something for the store, just realize why it's so high. Because you voted for Joe Biden.